All right, so in this snap shooting combine drill, we are focused on hitting this pan in front of us right here. You get 5 shots in 5 seconds. If you miss a shot, it is a 1 second deduction per shot missed. And right now, the best scores that we are seeing are sub 3, below 3 seconds, getting all 5 shots off, hitting the target 5 times in under 3 seconds. So we got everybody out here competing to have the best score. We're having fun with the snap shooting. Let's go. Ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good job. Way to go.
Really good.
Very good.
395.
395. All right. On 1, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Good job.
348.
348. All right. On 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good.
Nice.
Your first couple were just right over, so just bring it down just a little bit. Good job. Yep. Okay, 380. All right, ready on 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Way to finish strong. Good job.
A little bit faster next time.
Yep. Was that a 5?
Yeah.
Okay. 6, 8, 0, 7. All right, you're going to go on 1, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
There we go. Good.
326.
326. All right, you ready?
Yep.
On 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good. All right.
365.
365. 665. All right, bud. Ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Wow, there we go.
There you go. 289.
That's the one right there. 289.
Oh, Patterson.
Yeah, Patterson. All right, you ready, bud? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Good. Way to finish strong, man.
330.
330. 530. All right, on 1, 3, 2, 1. Good. And you counted that last one. You clipped it. Good job. Very good.
322.
322. 122. Okay. Ready to go, bud?
Yep.
On 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Just missed one. Good job. Way to be. Accuracy.
344.
4. All right, you ready?
Yep.
On 1, 3, 2, 1. Good. There we go. Missed 2.
356.
356. All right, ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good job. Way to go. Way to finish strong on that.
378.
378. 578. All right, ready?
Ready.
On 1, 3, 2, 1. Very good, man. Only missed one on that. Good job.
339.
339. All right, you ready, bud?
Yep.
On 1, 3, 2, 1. Good.
Nice.
Good job.
Way to come back on that.
Yep.
449.
Perfect. 9. All right, ready?
Yep.
On 1, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, how the fuck do you know that?
Good. Way to finish strong. Good job.
Your accuracy
2,
there.
5, 7.
You just
Yeah.
gotta speed it up just a little bit more.
Yep. Get into a nice little rhythm. Get into a rhythm. Ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. There we go. Good job, buddy.
369.
369. All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, on 1, 3, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. Good job.
298.
298. There we go. Sub 3. Good job. Ready, bud? Get into a nice rhythm. Make those shots count, all right? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Good job. All right.
21.
321. Okay. We are going to switch hands again. We're going to go back to the left hand now. Try to build on your last score, okay? Any deficiencies that you had, if you're going a little bit too slow or if you're missing that target, hone in, all right? Let's get this going. 5, 2, 1, and you're up again. So left hand, yep, 412 there.
How much is that camera setup? The whole rig?
Just about 50,000.
It's a car. It'll work.
All right. When you are ready, my man, you're gonna go on, here, let me make sure, right number, 48. Okay, left hand, on 1, 3, 2, 1. That's okay, you finished strong, good job.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
It's probably about six or 7.
5, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. All right, you ready?
Yeah. That's about what I thought it was. I was like
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, for that one. We have another camera with us. It's about 12.
All right.
There we go, good.
Nice job.
Only missed 1 on that.
395.
395. All right, on 1, 3, 2, 1. Hey, good. You clipped it too, so you missed none on that. Good job.
402.
402. Good.
402.
402. That's still good though, because you didn't miss any.
Yeah.
All right, on 1, 3, 2, 1. Finish strong. Good job. Way to go.
402.
Well, that's crazy.
Yeah.
502. All right, on 1, 3, 2, 1. There we
Nice
go.
job.
Good job. There we go.
412.
412. All right. On 1, number 8, 3, 2, 1. Good.
All right.
There we go.
317.
3. Oh, that was fast.
Yeah.
5, 7,
Did you
2.
take
But
a
missed
quick
2.
miss for
Yeah,
missing?
I know. Yeah, take your time on these shots. Make them count. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Nice job.
Good, good.
It was 4.
4, okay. 5. All right, bud. Ready on 1, 3, 2, 1. Nice,
job.
dude. Way to go. Good job. Way to go.
491.
491. Ready, bud? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Way to finish strong.
345.
3, 4, 5. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Good.
right.
Good job. Way to finish strong.
348.
3, 4, 8. 5, 4, 8. Okay. You ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Very
job.
nice, dude.
Hell yeah.
Very nice.
263.
There we go. That's up there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, dude.
Nice job.
Way to go, man.
312.
312. Very good, very good. Very good. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Nice.
Oh, you just barely missed that last one.
311.
311. Okay, ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. That's okay. Hey, good. You still finished strong.
Still finished strong.
Good job, man.
369.
You missed 2, but you had a fast score, so that's good. 369.
Yep.
So that's 5, 6, 9. Okay, you ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. Good job, man. Way to go.
330.
330.
330.
5. Okay, you ready? On 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good.
338.
338. All right, on 1, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Yeah, as soon as I say 1, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
When I say 1, you go. On 1, 3, 2, 1. Nice, dude. Only missed 1. Good job.
343.
343. All right. On 1, 3, 2, 1. Good.
There you go.
Good.
461.
Okay. 4, 6, 1.